Okay, so what we're going to do is look at a simple experiment which replicates basically what happens in the cell membrane. What I've got here is a piece of dialysis tubing. Now, dialysis tubing, if you have a look at your notes, it's got full of small holes which will let little molecules through but won't let large ones to pass. So what we've got is that. Got a couple of bulldog clips. I have a starch solution, and I have iodine. Okay, so you probably remember going back from school and like that, doing experiments often with potatoes, seeing whether they hold starch or not, dropping iodine on them, and it goes very dark blue-black colour, and that's what we're going to look for here. So first thing we're going to do is to seal the end of this by rolling it over a bit like a dry bag, a couple of folds, and clamp it shut with a bulldog clip. So I've done there. Okay. I've had to soak this in water to open it up to become a tube, and I'm going to get So Teresa's going to drop iodine in here. That's probably about enough. Okay, so now what we're going to do is close the bag off, seal it completely, and we're going to do exactly the same to the other end as we did before. Fold it over twice and clamp it with a bulldog clip. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so what we've got now is we've got a beaker with some starch, dissolved in starch, and we've got a little bag, sealed bag of iodine. Now what we're hoping will happen is that the iodine is a really small molecule and it will diffuse through the membrane into the starch, and of course immediately it does that, the starch will change to a blue-black colour, and then hopefully, because the starch molecule is already big, the reverse won't happen, and we'll pull out and see whether or not any starch has made it back in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll drop this in here, okay, and leave it just sort of sitting. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we just have to sit and wait. The bag is already looking darker in colour. I'll just wait and see what happens. So the process they're following is diffusion, and my shoot doesn't look very good, but against the background here, we're already starting to see it's gone dark. We're starting to see there's the blue-black colour sort of moving down into the solution, sitting at the bottom. Yep. Okay. And so it looks like it's happening quite quickly. Alright, so diffusion does occur really fast. We'll just have a look now, we'll pull it out. And so here we have our starch solution, obviously containing iodine, and here's our iodine solution, which is unchanged. Right, so the movement is one way. This is why it's called a semi-permeable membrane, and it imitates largely a lot of the way our cells operate. They are more complex than this, but you'll see that in your notes. So hopefully you've seen exactly what our Borrower students have experienced.